Welcome to the latest edition of Relationship Tips. Today's topic, soft starts. Have you ever had something important to say to your partner? So you rush into the room and start talking. And to your surprise, the response you get is an eye roll, a sigh, or the look. When that happens, what stories do you tell yourself about your partner's behavior? My feelings don't matter to him. He doesn't care what I have to say. I'm not important to him. And if you truly believe these stories, how might they impact your self-esteem and self-worth? These interactions become patterns that operate without thought and produce painful feelings. Now, before you despair, I want you to understand the importance of pain. It's part of your emotional feedback loop. It's meant to alert you to take a course correction, in this case, a behavioral change. So try the following tips. If you rush into the room to share your ideas, remember that this might be too difficult of an energy shift. You haven't really given your partner an opportunity to transition from what they are doing to what you are trying to say. Instead, start with a warm-up. Try entering the room with a soft energy and a soft voice and say, "There's something I'd like to share. Is this a good time for you?" And if your partner says that he's finishing up a task, gently say, "No problem. What time would work better for you?" If you're the one listening to the request, you have the responsibility to modify your behavior as well. If it's not a good time to talk, let your partner know specifically when you'll be ready. Take some time to transition so you and your partner can share with more care and with soft energy. Most human beings struggle the most during transitions from one thing to another. Many arguments occur during these times. Helping your partner warm up slowly during the shift will promote softer and more caring conversations. So until next time, remember, change happens best when insight is combined with action.